Okay, January 30th. Look like we may be forming a head and shoulders on a 5 minute, on a 2 minute chart and a 5 minute chart. If this pattern plays out, we could be looking for 6 points down to 1990. The high is uh is 2000 is 1250, and this neckline is 95.75. So about 6 points. See if it can get if it break 1995.75 6, it can we can look for to go to 1990. If this pattern fails, if it doesn't break 95 and doesn't go to 1990, we can look for a test back to 2003 and then next to 2010. So let's see what happens with this pattern. Okay, so far look like it's a failed pattern. Didn't come down and break, so the price moved back up to the shoulder here. Next move anticipated is to 07, 08 area, and then 10, between the 10 and 12 area. It still can chop around here and still come down and break down. Let's see what happens. May take a little longer to play out, but those the two scenarios that it can move higher if it doesn't break this low and come and test the highs, or it can break down and come down to this to the 90 level, bottom of this channel. I tried to get in one position at 95. So 90 is the target. See if we get a little bounce. The support is at 94, so it has to break the support level. But we got resistance down here that it might bounce off of in this area down here on the 4 hour, around the 93 area. So we got some nice resistance around 93 area. See if it holds or see if it breaks it. Look like it may have took a little longer to make the whole shoulder. Instead of making the shoulder here, make a wider shoulder. There we go. Okay, it's breaking. It's not dropping fast, choppy, up and down, up and down. Gonna get the shorts out, the weak shorts, small traders, and get them out. So it looks like it may go. It's not going to go quietly. It may go, but it's not going to go quietly, I'll tell you that. Got the SPX, that the cash that has to break 2,000. It's sitting at 2,059. So that may make strong support down here. So we'll come back. Okay, the head and shoulders patterns fell. We broke this low, but we didn't get far. Came to this trend line, came back up, tested around the 3, 5. Now we testing the 8 level, 10, and then the 12. So the failed head and shoulder pattern came back, retested. Next level is here. Didn't touch the 90, didn't break down to the 90. We'll see if it reaches the 10 or the high. Okay, we came up, touched the 10, this level here. So we retrace back to this, to the head, to the shoulder. Then we retrace back to the head, 10. Maybe we can get to the top of the head, maybe not, but head and shoulders pattern. If it break, we was looking for, if it was to complete this pattern, it would reach 90, and if it failed, which it did, I said it would go back to test the shoulder, and then back to test the high of the head. So that's what happens if it works and if it doesn't work.